Greetings everyone. Today we will learn to take SQL Server database backup automatically using SQL Server Management Studio. After connecting to the SQL Server instance, go to the Object Explorer and ensure that the SQL Server agent is running. Expand Management. Right-click on Maintenance Plans and select Maintenance Plans wizard. Click Next. On the Select Plan Properties page, set a name for your plan. Briefly describe your plan. The Run As specifies the account for executing the plan. Select Single Schedule for entire task. If you choose separate schedules for each task, you must follow the relevant steps for each task. Click Change to open the new job schedule. Select Schedule Type. Set the relevant frequency, date, time, and duration fields. Ensure Enabled is selected. Verify that all job settings are correct. Click OK to close. Click Next. Select one or more maintenance tasks to add to the plan. Click Next. If more than one maintenance task is selected, set its execution order. Click Next. Configure the backup options. On the General tab, select All or a single database. The backup component will be the database. Choose the backup destination media. On the Destination tab, ensure Create a backup file for every database is selected. Set backup folder. On the Options tab, choose a backup compression type. You can also opt for checksum, integrity, ignore errors, and encryption. Click Next. Select Report Options for saving or distribution. Click Next. Verify the choices. Click Finish. On the Progress page, monitor the plan's actions. Upon success, click Close. Refresh Object Explorer. The plan has been added to the maintenance plans. The backup has been created at the scheduled time in the specified location.